In this video, I show you how to fix optimizing the photo. Please avoid problem on camera. How are you clicking the photo? In this video, I show you how to fix the problem. For fixing this problem, go to Fittings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Scroll down, find out Camera app, tap on it, tap on For System, then OK, then tap on For Permission, allow permission, then tap on Storage and Cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restarting, open camera. Hello? Turn. Now click any photo. Now I hope that this method fixes optimizing the photo. Please avoid problem on camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.